good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 23 from verse 26 to verse 34. Jesus nailed up on the cross. Same time them a lead with Jesus. Then grab Simon we come from Cyrene. Him did a come from country. Then force him to walk back at Jesus and carry the cross. Whole heap of people follow back at Jesus. And the woman them band them belly and a ball for him. Jesus turned round and said to them, say, woman from Jerusalem, no ball for me. Ball for yourself and for you picnic them. Cause the day will come when people going to say, woman we can't have picnic, woman we never have picnic, and woman we never nurse no baby. And them bless. Then them will tell the mountain them, drop on we, and them will tell the hill them, cover we up. If people do then sitting here when tree green, what go happen when it dry up? Them carry 2 criminals to go kill them same time with Jesus. When them catch at the place we name the skull, them nail up Jesus and the criminal them on the cross them. One on the right hand side of Jesus and the other one on him left. Jesus say, Father God, pardon them. Them not know where them a do. Then throw dice to shear up Jesus' clothes. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God